Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take out the battery on HTC Vive Focus Vision. To take the battery out, find this cushion. You can see that it easily comes off when you pull it, and under this cushion there is a battery, as you can see. To take it out, just hold on these two buttons on both sides, then take it out. To put it back in, you need to put it in the correct orientation. So, as you can see, there are pins on the back and there are pins on the battery. When it's all aligned, you can put it in until it clicks. When it clicks, you can check if it's correctly mounted by looking for this part. If it's here, then it's alright, and you should also be able to see this button here. And now it's ready to be used. Remember to put the cushion back on. You may need to find the correct orientation for the cushion, so try putting it both ways until it just goes on, and when it's on, it's ready. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.